Here is all. Today we have a lovely, nice and easy cream slice cake. Let's get into it. Okay, so we'll dust our board with a bit of flour. And we're not going to be taking any measurements here, and this is nice and quick. We're just going to cut it into 8. We're not going to roll it out. Just cut it out because
ain't nobody got time for that.
Okay, so when we have it into 8, these are the top parts here. I'm going to brush them with water. Just a little bit of water. And then we're going to sprinkle them with some sugar. Just the top parts. Then we'll put into the oven at 180°, preheated. And we're doing for about 15 to 17 minutes. So we take them out, we let them cool a little bit. And these are the bottom parts here now. I'm gonna just press a tiny little well in here, just to get a bit of jam in. If you leave your jam out at room temperature, which is what I should have done, for about half an hour, it'll spread a lot easier, but we'll make it work. Then we put our cream on, then our tops, and finally we'll dust them with some icing sugar. And then we'll have something lovely. Thanks for watching all. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and give us a like. Bye bye and take it easy.